Gurjit.
Hey everyone, so today we are here to discuss on a very interesting topic, that is acid, bases and salts. So first of all, have you ever thought that why this lemon, orange, turmeric, they all taste sour? It is all because of acid present in them. Lemon consists of citric acid, turmeric consists of tartaric acid. So as this acid have its property that acids are sour in nature. Now next is, what is acid? Any of the substance which when mixed with water releases high amount of hydrogen ions, that is H plus, is termed as acid. Acids are of various types: mineral acids, organic acid. Mineral acids are man-made acids, we can say that. Next is organic acid. So organic acid is that acid which is present in plants and animals. Acids are of two types: concentrated acid and dilute acid. What is concentrated acids? So the ionization of H plus ions which when mixed with water, any substance releases high amount of H plus ions is termed as the concentrated acid. Whereas dilute acid, any of the substance which when mixed with water releases less number of hydrogen ions is termed as the dilute acid. Now we'll move on to the uses of acid. So what are the uses of acid? So uses of acid are: nitric acid. Nitric acid is used for the explosive purposes at various places. Second is sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4, it is used in industries purposes, in the various purposes like for dyes and all, and it is also used in batteries, car batteries. Now HCl. So HCl is used for the best cleaning purposes and for to clean the rusting purposes and all. So these are the few uses of acid. Now properties of acid. So what are the properties of acid? Acids are corrosive in nature. Second, acids are sour in taste. Acids turns blue litmus paper red. And next is, acids are the good conductor of electricity. So these are the few properties of acid. I hope you all understood that what is acid. Next we'll move on to the base. So what is base? Any of the substance which when mixed with water releases hydroxide ions, OH minus hydroxide ions, is termed as the base. Now, have you ever thought that why these detergents and soaps are very soapy to touch? It is because of base present in them. Bases are also comprises of two types, that is strong base and weak base. The substance which when mixed with water releases high amount of OH minus ions is termed as the strong base. The substance which when mixed with water comprises less number of OH minus ions is termed as the weak base. So these are the two types. Now uses of base. So base is used as cooking purposes like soda, baking soda and all. Second thing, bases are also used in dyes, fertilizers, pesticides, and industrial purpose. Bases are also used in synthetic fibers like rayon, and these are the few uses of bases. Third is properties of bases. So bases are bitter in taste. Bases converts red litmus paper to blue. Bases are good conductor of electricity. So these are the few properties of bases. Now we will move to the salt. So what is salt? By listening to this word salt, the one picture comes to your mind, the salt which we are using at our home. Similarly, that is sodium chloride. But it is very different from that. It is purified and manufactured to the market. Now what is common salt? That is NaCl. So when acid reacts with base, salt is formed, and that is known as the neutralization reaction takes place there. Now uses of salt. So salt is used in cooking purposes. It is used for the preservatives of pickles. Salt is also used in cold countries. It is used to melt the ice. Common salt is used. So these are the few points regarding salts. Now, as I previously discussed about the litmus paper, if you remind that acid is a good property which is turned blue litmus paper red and base turns red litmus paper to blue. So what is that litmus paper? It shows as whether the substance is acidic or base. Now both the strength of acid and base is measured on the pH scale. What is that pH scale? So I will give you the short example of pH scale. What is that pH scale? So it shows the strength of acid or base, that how acidic is the substance or how basic is the substance. So 1, 2, 3, 1 to 4 that are very strongly acidic. After 4 to 6 it is very less acidic. 7 comprises of the neutralization reaction. After 7, the substance which contains the pH after 7, that all the substances are base. Like till 7 to 10 all the substances are very weak basic, and after 10 to 14 that are very strongly basic. So this is the short note on the pH scale. I hope you all understood the acid, bases and salts. Thank you.